So my order from Artshed Online has arrived. Some oil paints. I've been using Genesis heat set oils up till now mostly, and I wanted additional oils for bigger size paintings. Trying the Genesis heat set paintings has proven to be a challenge for me. So here's the unboxing. Bit excited. I know Mont Marte's aren't an expensive brand of paints, but they are, I think, meant to be non-toxic. That appeals to me greatly. So let's see. I did buy a couple of other things as well, like craft glue, PVA craft glue. All the children, they go through that like crazy. And I use it too for various things. So yeah, this is the PVA glue. Kilogram, very good value. I'd already bought one of them before and worked well. Newspaper for packing, good. I can recycle that in the garden. This is, I think, our oil, medium, safflower oil. Okay, so it says safflower oil paint medium. This is for glazing. Excited to try that. This is, yes, gesso, so I can do my, this is textured clear gesso, so I can make a surface for doing my pastel paintings on. I was working on, just on watercolor paper, rough watercolor paper, but it still didn't have enough tooth, so I was going to try this because I read somewhere that clear textured gesso has rind, so it has some sort of stuff in it to make it, anyway, gives it texture, so I'll maybe do a video on that. Okay, and I ordered a Art Spectrum palette knife. I like to use a palette knife to put my highlights in. Gives a thicker, just a thicker application of paint, so light reflects off it better and it just appears a bit brighter. So this is the 1000 series, made in Italy. I think that was like for $13. So be a good palette knife, I hope. Now I do believe these may be the paints. Here. Okay, so I've got burnt umber, lucent, zinc white. I've never used zinc white, but the transparency factor here appeals to me greatly because I have been in my last few works doing a bit of glazing, so I'm keen to try that out and see how to work. So I'll put them down there. Phthalo blue is an opaque colour, but I just love phthalo blue. There's a little bit of wasteful stuff in here, but okay. And then I bought some water soluble or mixable oil paints. I bought their transparent yellow because the ordinary oils in the Mont Marte range don't have anything that's transparent. And for my glazing, I wanted to try these. Apparently, the water miscible oil paints are completely interchangeable with the traditional oils of the Mont Marte Professional Series, but I just have to use the safflower oil as a medium, not water. So once I mix them with the ordinary oils, I have to treat them like ordinary oils. So these are the only three that I bought in this, and that's just transparent yellow. I don't want to order in a little while again, so that's why I bought the 3, because all the other tubes are 100 ml tubes. So here's the last box full, and so now I've got carmine red, which is 100 ml, and it's non-toxic, it says here, so I like that, non-toxic. Titanium white, I bought 2 of them because I go through a fair bit of white. Always go through more than twice. Any other colour. Ultramarine blue, a lovely versatile blue in my opinion, and that's a translucent. And then these 2, the brilliant red and the yellow medium, are opaque colours along with my phthalo blue. So they're my 3 opaque colours along with the titanium white. So they're my opaques. That's just for the more base coat, sort of lower. But then for the other glazing and stuff, I've got these colours. And then I thought I would include burnt umber. I often do my drawing in burnt umber, and I do like that. Improve my drawing skills immensely to use a brush to do my drawing. That's my order, and I'm excited to try it. So maybe my next video will be all about trying my new products. So this is my exciting new. I'll be doing a pastel painting and some glazing, some oil painting. Hey, till next time. One thing, this is not sponsored at all by Mont Marte or Artshed Online or anything. This is just me wanting to try a new product, and it has arrived. So I just wanted to share it with you, just so you know to look out for my next videos, that I will definitely be trying Mont Marte oils. So if you want to see how they work, whether they live up to what they promise on their website, yeah. So, and also my Art Spectrum palette knife. I'm very keen to use that. So, thanks for watching.